Welcome back to Shopsicle Garage. This one should be quick. We're going to replace our fan switch with this Summit fan switch. Part number SUM890117. Should turn the fan on at 185 and off at 175. I was going to originally put it in the driver's side head. That pipe plug is stripped. I messed with it long enough, couldn't get it out, tried a couple things, and now I've made it worse, of course, like I always do. So I got to looking, and the switch that tells the computer when to turn the fan on is in the front of the intake manifold. It's got a black and yellow wire running to it. So I'm just going to replace that. We're not going to worry about what the computer, we don't need it for everything. So this will just ground out through the relay and activate the fan when it hits the right temperature, in theory. So let me show you where that's at. And then we're going to pop it out real quick. We've got to remove a couple things to get to it. We'll pop it out, put that in, put everything back together. All right, we're going right underneath this heater hose, right back there, that guy. And I say it's got a black and yellow wire. You can't see it from here, but it does, trust me. So I want to take this heater hose off, lose some more coolant, and then I'll be able to get to that. We'll swap it out, put the one in I want to use. Run the wire for it. I've already cut the wire from the relay that we need to activate it by the ground. Splice that, run it right over, hook it up, and we'll be done. Ow. Well, I likely did not have to remove that hose, but I did have to get the alternator bracket off. And then I can barely get a 3/4 inch deep socket on the sending unit. And did I break it? Looks like I broke it. I don't know where the rest of the broken part went, but it looks like I broke it. So, perfect. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I broke the end off where the wires connect. I don't know where it went. We broke that. So let me get some thread paste on the new one, find out what size socket that is, and see if we can get that in there without destroying it. Okay, it's in there right there. You see with that red and that little prong sticking out. So I'm going to give me a little piece of wire and then put a thing on it, you know, one of those things, and then get it hooked up. Alright, we got most of that put back together. Never did find that clamp, so I grabbed a different one. The only thing left is to put this guy back on. And I did put some wire loom. Oh, can't put that back when you got tools in the way. I did put the wire in the wire loom. I found a wire that had been previously used, so it had the right connector on it. It was an orange wire, and I'm pretty sure it was the one that was connected to the fan when I had it rigged up on a toggle switch. Why won't you tighten? There we go. Okay, I put my screwdriver back already. Let's make sure we're all the way on. Don't want to be leaking any air out of there. I think we are. Get this guy tightened back up, and then I'll be able to throw some more coolant in there if I have some. I don't think I do. I'm gonna have to buy some. Okay, we're all back together there. Let me see if I have some coolant. If I do, we'll throw it in. If I don't, we'll be done with this project, even though I didn't show you much. Well, I did not have any more coolant, but ever since I put that extended bolt in for the positive side, whatever this thing is, this wire here with a fuse in it, I don't know what it goes to, but it doesn't reach anymore, so we're just gonna have to snip him off, even though I just put this brand new connector on, because the last one was smoking. wire was messed up, and we're gonna go ahead and throw a new one, another little section on. We need to be able to plug that in, whatever it is. Kind of feel like it goes to the secondary fan that somebody put on the front of this. I could be wrong. I probably am. Okay. And yes, that's all I needed to add. I was short by maybe an inch, so we added a little extra just in case something happened. There we go. And then we'll make sure this ring terminal fits over the stud. It does. I knew it did. I bought it just for that, so I knew it did. And that's, get this going on now. There we go. And then I can hook that back up. So that's going to do it for this one. A real short one today. I don't know how short by the time I edit stuff out. I left a bunch of things out, but we put in a new temp sensor, and that way for the fan, so you can kick the fan on. Ignore the computer. Service engine light is on. We saw that in my Dakota Digital Dash install video. It's always been on. I don't know what it's for. Can't read it because the ALDL terminals are corroded. Sure, I could clean them up and read it, but it runs. Everything works fine. So I'm out of coolant. I'm gonna have to buy some coolant to throw in there, and we're not gonna wait on that because you know how to put coolant in a car. I'll probably do something wrong anyway, like I always do. So what is that? I don't know. It's like a little piece of metal shaving that came off around it. I don't know. Anyway, like I said, that's going to do it for this one. I don't have any shop sales with me right now. I ate the last one I had earlier. We got to get some more. So check this out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to eat, or in this case, drink your shop signals.